Today we continue to talk about our pets with Brett the Vet, and right now we want to dive into valley fever in dogs. Like people, dogs are very susceptible to valley fever, and it's unique to Arizona and the Southwest. So what should dog owners know and do? Let's talk about it. Brett the Vet joining me once again. So explain for folks, especially because we have so many snowbirds, what valley fever is and what causes it.
It is a regional fungus infection native to this area. Everybody gets exposed, but not everybody gets sick.
Right.
So the signs are coughing, a little bit different than what we've talked about earlier, dry cough.
Okay. Versus the mysterious dog illness was a wet cough?
Similar signs, dry versus wet. It can kind of look the same sometimes, so don't. But yeah, it's a dry cough, and they just don't feel good.
Lethargic.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Loss in appetite, runny eyes, anorexia, runny nose. Those are some of the other symptoms. You know, I know that it's similar. I was reading that it's similar to valley fever in people as well as dogs. So can it be contagious between the two, people and dogs? I mean, can they give it to each other?
By contrast to the mystery illness, no.
Okay.
It's not contagious. Everybody gets exposed in the environment.
Right.
But not everybody gets sick. There's one exception, it's very rare, is when they get it in this, what's called the cutaneous form, where you get skin lesions that can drain.
Oh.
It can drain those active fungal organisms, and if you aren't hygienic, you can actually get exposed, and that's the only way you generally can get transmitted from pet to person or person to person.
So if a dog has valley fever, what kind of treatment are we looking at, and is there a vaccine?
Great questions, by the way. Treatment is fluconazole, and here in Arizona, for years we've been using compounded drugs. Compounded drugs are not FDA-approved drugs. Now these FDA-approved drugs, fluconazole, the same thing you and I would take, are much more available from a cost-effective point of view to the pet owner.
Okay.
And we should be using that drug at the right dose. In my clinic, fixes almost every case of valley fever.
Oh, wow.
That's the good news. It's getting cheaper, but treatment can be long-standing and take several months, depending on the presentation.
Okay.